Good morning, lovely friends. I have a cute unboxing to do. This is, and I don't even know what it is yet, but I'm sure it's cute just based on the packaging. Do you see this little bear? And then it says present for you. And then this side says thank you. So I'm sure I ordered something on Etsy. It came in a little envelope, this did. And I was about to open it and I thought, you know what? I want to open it with you guys because it's so stinking cute. Even that is cute. Isn't that cute? Okay. So, Simply Serving Handcrafts. Lindsay Goodall is the shop owner, and you can find her on Etsy at simplyserving.etsy.com. And this is handmade kawaii stitch markers. Yay, and I know what I got. Ooh, and she gave me some Earl Grey tea. This seems to be very common in the knitting world. When you order something from Etsy, often I will get a little tea bag, and that is just fabulous. I love tea, so, and Earl Grey happens to be one of my favorites, along with my husband's favorite. So that is my husband's favorite. So this says Simply Serving Handmade Littles, and I have been shopping like it's my job, so I'm not sure exactly which one this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing that? Maybe if I did it this way. Oh my gosh. It is a little stitch marker. Oh my gosh, there's two and I'm just dying because these are so cute. So I love Halloween. I don't know if you guys know that about me or not. I'm sure I've shared, but I can't expect all of you guys to watch every video of mine, or can I? But anyway, I love Halloween. I love the whole idea of it, and I'm not like creepy or anything, but you know, whatever. I love it's fun to me. And look at this. So it's a black cat, which is also one of my favorite animals, black animals. I love them. And he's in a little pumpkin with a little pumpkin hat, and he's like in the pumpkin peeking out. And look, even on the back there's his little tail. And it's one of these clasps. I don't know what you call those. It's not a lobster clasp, but it's not a straightaway clasp. I like to use these as progress makers, or you can use them as stitch markers. But oh my gosh, I thought that would be really cute for Halloweenish time, which is, in my opinion, okay to use now. And then probably when I'm finished using this, I can move on to the next one, which is, oh my goodness, so cute. If I could get it open so we could see. Now this one is on a lobster clasp, and I think I had a choice of clasps, and this is a larger lobster clasp. And I think I picked two different things because I wasn't exactly sure what this one was called, and I like the lobster clasp too. Now I wouldn't use this one necessarily as a stitch marker, but I would definitely use this as a progress marker. Look at how cute. There is a little gingerbread, and it's a cup of hot cocoa with marshmallows. The detail on this is unbelievable. And there's polka dots on the little mug. Oh my word, this is adorable. I'm wondering if I have a ruler handy so you guys can see how big this is, or how little this is. It is about 3/4 of an inch wide, and all of that detail is in there. Or I think I can do, oh no, this doesn't do centimeters. Nope. Sorry about that, guys. But it's about, like I said, it's not even 3/4 of an inch wide. And there are all of those details. It is just absolutely cool. And there is a little stripe on the back. Even the little gingerbread, you can see his little red mouth and his little white eyes and the little detail to give him the stripes on his arms and legs. And this saucer has little polka dots. And it's red and green for, for Christmas time. I don't know what it's made of exactly. It looks like it's coated with something, but I'm not sure how these work, but it is so cute. Oh, I am just loving these. So again, this is simplyserving.etsy.com, and I will definitely try to link her below So check her out. You will not be disappointed in whichever ones you like best. These are so cute. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day and happy knitting. Bye-bye.